Hey.
What are you up to?
Standing.
Yeah.
And
Still standing.
marking pinholes and.
Marking pinholes. So this is the same buggy, right?
Yeah, same buggy.
All right.
Final coat of sealer. So all the little spots that you see are repair areas that I had to go back in. And I'm at 320 now, and I've still got pinholes. So this is like the final go through. And the pinholes are so small right now that you can't even, they reject filler. It's like there's the air pressure inside won't accept the filler, push it back out.
Kind of like putting toothpaste back in the tube.
Yeah, kind of. So like down here, I don't know if you can even scan into this. You'll see a little tiny pinhole in this big blob of and that's what it's doing. So, so we get asked, why does it take so long to do a car?
Right.
This is why. And the buggies are actually fairly quick.
I was gonna say there's hardly any body.
There's hardly any body, but there's a lot of work.
Yeah.
So, and all of this, most of this is done by hand.
Right. Okay.
So there is some machine work involved, but not really.
Right.
Fiberglass is so wavy that you can't really get a straight edge on it, and it moves. So, with a normal car, it's like every nut, every bolt, every component, what it takes to make a brand new car, we're doing basically the same thing here. So somebody had made this buggy back in the 70s, just had one bad repaint, and then so we stripped everything off and back together again.
Oh, wow.
So this should be going over to the paint booth probably next week, maybe this weekend, I don't know. And then it got to sit for about a week, and then we'll go back in and do a quick polish on it and call it good.
Okay.
Then it goes back into the main shop for assembly.
Oh.
But they're stacked up in there too. So.
Yeah, it really is. It's very full in here.
Very, very full. So it's like Stone's on vacation.
Right.
So my sidekick's not here, and that's his project right now.
Yeah. So what's left on that?
He's got to finish polishing up the secondary panels, and then we got to do headliner, powder coat rims. We got to powder coat some miscellaneous pieces, and then just reassemble it, and then it goes home.
Okay.
So back to Minnesota, I think.
Oh, wow.
So this guy's sort of local. He's Florida. Well, that's kind of local for us.
In the region.
Yeah.
Southeast.
And Dr. Ames is going home finally.
Okay.
So it's only been sitting.
I see it in the background.
Yeah, it's in the background.
Pretty.
So I'm talking with Jim right now to get transport arranged. So
Fantastic.
we're starting to get some space in here.
Yeah.
Starting to. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. So that's pretty much what I've got going on. Just chill hot music in the background and kind of the zen of sanding and going.
I hate
on
glass.
pinholes.
I hate fiberglass.
I hate fiberglass. But pinholes. It's just,
All right.
drive me nuts.
All right.
So go wander around the shop.
Let's see what everybody's up to. Whose is this?
This is Mr. Shoot.
What does
This
it go
is
with?
orange Karmann Ghia.
Oh,
What's
yeah.
half of the Karmann Ghia anyway.
Right. Yeah.
Floor pan replacement on it, and weld up the holes in the tunnel that somebody left in it in the previous owner.
Why would somebody do that?
Fix the clutch cable because they break loose in certain spots.
And you can't get to it without.
Can't get to it without cutting the hole, but at least most people would cut them, bend them, fix it, and then re-weld them back up because it's structural. So.
Oh, wow.
Fixing that, new floor pan, re-weld the seat tracks back in it, and then undercoat it, and we're done with the floor pan.
Okay. That's great. Where's the body?
In the new part, it's got to have
Nice.
rockers put in it. And then the back half's getting repainted. to match the rest of it.
Fantastic. Well, can you make some sparks?
Sure. We can handle that.